a liquid to a solid. In chemistry, that's a phase change. So can we see whether or not the light in the water is going to be released when the water changes state? Because that would represent a change in the bond angle. So it would make sense to me that the light would be released during that process. And that would be a really great thing, because it would mean that once the water gets into the body, the water will phase change and release the light. So let's see what happens. We started freezing it, and we started to notice these highly coherent threads of water crystals. So this was important because we know that if you were to have a structured water, the water is highly organized. So we start to see some evidence here. And sorry, I skipped ahead one. Okay, now we're good. When the water freezes completely, really interesting things happen. We get a vortex funnel that occurs at the center of the beaker. And of course, we associate vortexes with natural energy and living systems. If you look at the beaker from underneath, again, you can see this implosion that occurs as the water crystals move towards the center as compared to the control. As you change the wavelengths of light that we use to treat the water, different shapes start to appear, living shapes start to appear. In some samples, they resemble an egg. And what do we think about eggs? Eggs are life.
Life.
And depending on the type of water that we use and the treatment and the amount of treatment time, we get an increase in the density of the number of water threads. So what this means is that we can control how much light is in the water through the settings. You probably would like to see this now, right?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to watch now a time-lapse video that we took. What we did in our lab was we took a freezer. Okay, we're going to play it. So just watch it.